friends, hope you're doing okay. This is like day 2 of recording. I try to have a better setup this time, so I'm recording on my computer, literally GarageBand, nothing fancy, from the Fender Tone Master, using the XLR output straight to Scarlett, straight to the computer. We're gonna do samples clean, a little bit of dirtier with distortion, a delay, and a reverb. Right now I'm using Teisco distortion pedal, of course the Fuzz pedal from Hello Kitty, the flashback from TC Electronics version 1, the smaller compacted version of the big one. I would love to have the big one, but or version 2, that would be great. Coming soon. We have JHS Series 3 Hall Reverb, one of my favorite reverb pedals. They're amazing. And I have a volume pedal over here. It's a Sonic Cake volume and wah pedal. So what I'm gonna do, add a little bit of the booster, just the booster by itself. Nothing too crazy, to do some clean tones. I'm getting hot in this hoodie. Quick disclaimer, this figurine right here, the Hello Kitty stamp on the hoodie, is already creating some scratches in the back of the guitar. So try not to play with this on, be careful. There you go, lesson learned, right? So we're gonna do some clean tones at this point. All right. Alright, I'm gonna check for tuning. Let's see. I gotta buy me a tuner pedal. I know they're going for a special in Guitar Center. Probably Pictronics. Hopefully I could get that one. Once again, I haven't done a setup on this guitar. And like any other brand new guitar, the strings are getting used to the tension. So they might get out of tune a little bit too easy. But I left the guitar since yesterday, and the tuning is not too bad. So probably tuning stability is pretty okay. Here we go. We're gonna add a little bit of distortion, a delay, and hall reverb. I'm taking the booster away, just doing the distortion, and then we're gonna test that out. All right. So that's just the distortion, the delay, and the reverb. I'm gonna add the fuzz now on top of the distortion. Right now I'm gonna put it on a 4 in fuzz. Tone is about 6.5, and then the level is around 7. Once again, this fuzz pedal is a little bit more chaotic. It's a little bit splattery. That's what it sounds like. I like it, it's fun. But for songs, depending on the song, you want to go with the smallest amount of fuzz, and then for metal or heavy rock stuff, you could definitely do a little bit more of a intense fuzz on this pedal. All right, here we go. Fuzz on from Hello Kitty. Here we go. We're gonna do this with all the pedals, and then we're just gonna do the fuzz alone. All right, so we got that fuzz with all the pedals on. I'm gonna take all the pedals, but the fuzz is gonna stay on. This is fuzz only. We're gonna do 4, then we're gonna jump to 7, and then all the way up to 10 on the fuzz pedal. Once again, I do have my tone around 6, 6.5, and then the level around 7.5. We're gonna go to 7. Fuzz from Hello Kitty and Fender at level 7 in fuzz. Okay, not bad. We're gonna go all the way up, so get ready to get nuts. Fuzz at 10. This is like heavy. Very heavy. All right, same demo portion. Why do I have this on? Look at me failing. All right, here we go. You can definitely hear how chaotic house splatter that Fuzz is. It's pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie, it's fun to play it. Here we go. Let's try this. All right, that's it. That was the little demo that I have for you guys of the Hello Kitty fuzz pedal and the Strat. If you need to hear how it sounds clean by itself, I'm gonna bring this microphone here. And I'm gonna have you listen to the acoustics by itself. All right guys, and this is giving me feedback. All right guys, that was the demo for today. I hope you like it. Once again, I don't consider myself a musician. I do play for fun and I do help my local church. That's literally my background as a guitar player, and that's it. That's how I do it for now. I'm taking guitar a little bit more serious, so I'm enjoying it and I'm falling in love with the instrument, especially this year, and that's why I end up with this guitar. Once again, please consider subscribing if you like content like this. Don't forget to put your comments, how well I did, how much I sucked today. Let me know down below. I like to have a conversation. Let me know what you think about this guitar. Are you gonna get it? Hopefully you could get it, because it's pretty much sold out everywhere. Which one are you gonna get? You gonna get the pink version or you gonna get the white one? I think the white one is really nice. It's classy, and it just looks really, really nice. I think it was a good option. Actually, I think they're gonna do less of this guitar versus the pink one. I heard multiple rumors that we're gonna do 500 of each, but I think they're gonna do a second run, so it's probably gonna be more around 1,000. So we'll see how that plays out. But once again, my name is Javier Morales. This was it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.